But then, once you got your ice, the tea's all done.
Are you going to get you one?
No, just you.
Okay.
I'll pass on this time.
All right, so you're going to talk.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
So, well, you can come over here.
Oh,
You gotta make it with me. So we're gonna be making a cup of tea for fall today. We've got ourselves a teapot we're gonna fill up and boil first. It's probably pretty good.
Yeah.
We'll put it on the stove.
No, I want back this one.
You want this one?
Yeah. It's quicker.
Okay. Okay. So the first step is to boil some water. You can do this in a pan or a pot or a teapot. Anything you can boil water in, pretty much. And the next thing you'll need is a mug of choice or a cup of choice. So we got this one here.
Sugar cubes.
Yeah. You're also going to need sugar cubes of any kind. These are, what are they, cane sugar, right?
Mm-hmm.
These are cane sugar cubes. They're organic and they're nice, but just regular sugar cubes will do as well. You need your tea of choice, usually in bags. This is Typhoo. And of course, we're going to use 2 tea bags because you do, just get 2 there. Okay, so you do one for the pot and 1 per person. So you usually do 2 per cup. And then to make it nice and fall, we're going to use nutmeg, cinnamon, cloves, and ginger. Just a little bit of each, just like a little dash.
Okay.
In addition to that, you're also going to want some milk to make the tea.
Do we sprinkle?
No, not yet.
Okay.
We put that in
On top of the tea.
Yeah, once
Okay.
we pour the tea in.
Okay. And then the milk and the ice later.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the first step is to boil the water and get your tea bags ready. Once the water is at a steady boil, you're going to pour the water into there and let it steep for probably about 3 minutes, however long it says. And then once that's done, you remove the tea bags and then you add the sugar. Now you can put the sugar to taste as you like it, but 3 sugar cubes is usually a good amount.
Yeah.
And then
Unless you prefer less, you can put
Yeah.
2.
yeah, you can start less and add more. And then after that, we're gonna put the spices in while it's still nice and hot and boiling. It's just gonna be a little bit of each.
So you don't need a spoon, just a sprinkle.
Yeah, just a sprinkle. And then mix it up, and then we'll add the milk.
Okay.
I like using whole milk.
Okay.
And
I like cream.
and we'll add a bit of heavy creamer too. And once that's mixed together, we'll put the ice in to cool it down. And it'll be ready to serve. And I might put a dash of cinnamon on top to make it look
Water
nice.
is ready.
Okay. Do you want to pour the water in? There we go.
That enough?
That's good.
Okay, because we want ice and
Milk, yep.
milk.
So I'd put it in, yeah, that's good.
Okay.
And I usually say about halfway or
Okay.
around there works.
Do you think that's
Yeah,
about
that-
half?
Yeah, that's pretty
Okay.
good, I would say. So we'll let
Yeah.
that steep for 3
Yeah,
minutes.
let that get rich. How'd you know I wanted a coffee? A tea?
I don't know.
Just knew,
I
huh?
just knew. I'll just do a little stir on it.
Yeah, I like it. Like strong.
Mm-hmm. There.
Get you money.
Oh, cool. Okay, so we have about 2.5 minutes left. So one thing to note about the spices is that cloves are very strong, so you have to be very careful not to add too much. So you want minimal cloves, but cinnamon you can add a lot of. Not a lot, but you can add more than the rest.
Whatever your taste requires.
Yeah. Ginger, you don't want the ginger to be too overpowering, of course. Almost done. I usually stir it a little bit right before I finish. Make sure it's all moved around and done. Okay, so once you have the tea bags out, first thing you want to do is add the sugar. So we'll take just about 3 and plop them in there. Stir it around. So next you would add a little bit of cinnamon. And then add just a little bit of nutmeg. A little bit of ginger. And a little bit of cloves. It looked like a lot.
It's okay, I'll let you know.
Okay. It's hard when I'm holding the camera. That's okay. It might be a little clovey. Just be careful with cloves.
Yeah.
Add too much becomes too much. Okay, so the last thing we need is milk. And then the creamer.
And then ice.
Yes. So you add milk to taste, but there's a certain color it usually becomes that I like to look for. I just slowly pour it in. And mix it up. It looks nice with the little seed. Yeah. Looks nice with the little spices in it. And then, per request, do you have the heavy creamer?
I think we used it all.
Oh, we used it all?
Yeah.
Heavy whipping cream?
Do we have some? Oh, secret.
Okay, and this is optional. You can add it if you like, but we have some heavy cream here. My grandma likes, so I'll add
Just
some.
a little.
Just a little bit. Like a little bit more than that. There we go, it looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Last thing is some ice.
Oops.
I lost some. But then, once you got your ice, the tea's all done.
Well, it's good.
Yeah. Let me try it.
What you think?
Yeah, it's good. It's pretty close to how it usually is.
Let me taste it?
Yeah.
Right on the money.
Okay, great.
Very good.
Thank you. Yep, a nice English style spiced tea.
Mm-hmm. Very good, dear.
Thank you. Want to say anything to the people watching?
Try it, you'll like it.
Okay, great.
It's always much better if someone makes it for you.
Yeah. Okay, I hope you enjoyed us making tea. It was fun to record. We're both a little shy on video, but anyway, yeah, if you make the tea yourself, let me know how it is. Have a great autumn, guys. Bye.